So here in Victoria, we've been in lockdown for quite a while now, and you're probably all sick and tired of seeing me and Liam's faces. So today, we're going back in time, back when we could actually go away. Ready for an amazing trip?
I reckon. Yes.
Everything all timed down?
It's all good. Send it.
But first, we went and got some food.
So, sausages. Why am I the trolley in this? James, you don't need a date and apricot.
I love date and apricot loaf. They're the best. You've had this, it's the best. I love these things, Ryan.
Oh my god. How many calories is in that?
I don't know.
He really looked at the calories before he bought it. I said to Dad, we're leaving at 11 o'clock, and he said, you'll get there in the dark. And I said, why? I said, we'll get there at like 4 o'clock at the latest. And he's like, no, it won't, because some cunt will rock up late.
Not wrong.
Not wrong.
Listen to it go! So with the convoy united, we hit the road, heading north towards the mighty Murray River. Elmore! All was going well until we went to start the cars.
What happened with it?
Oh, like the keys just steering.
No, it's just all worn out and fucked. Sometimes it doesn't turn. It's been playing out for a while now, and now it's gotten to the point where it just won't turn at all.
So we'll get it.
Come on, can't.
That's like control problems.
I got a screwdriver. Do you want a screwdriver?
No, you don't want a screwdriver.
We might have to.
You know how to hotwire cars, don't you?
Yeah, with a screwdriver and a hammer.
Just right, hey, we'll roll start it. We get the Falcons to push it. Chuck it in first. Where's the nearest mechanic?
Hey Riley, you got a Phillips? Don't do it, James. Just hotwire it.
Hey, what the hell is that thing?
That's the steering lock, James. So the key still won't turn. So it's not the steering lock that's doing it. Take it apart, James. Bush mechanics.
Bush mechanic. So have you diagnosed the problem?
Yeah, the key barrel's fucked.
Old and worn.
Doesn't look that old actually, it's just... Oh, look, how convenient. Now you just plug that into the car, turn this and go. Get a flathead. Turn that. Should work.
Actually work.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, see, I'm an expert. Go plug that into the car. Fixed. I don't know controls with this easy to steal. I would have done it years ago. Okay.
Yeah, it is working.
Bingo.
How to steal a patrol. My god. That's ridiculous.
You don't need it. So I just pulled the electronic switch off the back of it, and all it's got is a little slot that turns it.
So with the patrol fixed, we got back on the road and headed north, discovering the straightest bit of road I think any of us had ever driven on.
Drag race? Oh yeah, sure.
If you guys like these sort of trip videos, let me know by giving it a like, because I've got a heap more of them I can edit together.
The brakes just don't work.
Hey, you can get to that spot.
It's a fucking good spot. There's like
Not a
no
good
one for
spot.
at least 100 metres around,
James,
and it's like right on the
It's
back.
just like every other spot.
How
on the
far?
Just
That's the public tire.
go back
Take
that
a photo
way.
of it?
Go back that way.
It's smooth. It's all smooth like this.
Is it going down?
The bickering continued for some time after this, but eventually we found a spot.
Guys, let's sort this out.
Yeah, there it is.
So, reserve people, river. It's always when someone's watching.
I don't think it's going to rain tonight, James. No. Look at the sky.
No way. It never rains here. When you're camping, then it rains all the time.
It's your mate, Ryan. Cheese.
Flying onto that again.
Don't get it snagged.
Actually, I just got snagged.
Yeah.
Well, everyone start looking for fish hooks.
Yeah, you gotta be really careful when...
Let the boy learn.
It's actually really nice. Throw it in.
yabbies. Yeah. It's alright, Riley, they won't actually bite you. I'm scared! No, I felt like every now and then I could feel something pinching and I thought it was just the reeds. Yeah. And something pinched my arm and I pull it up and fucking yabbie drops off my arm.
Oh, yeah, get him, grab it, eat it.
Here, Mr. Yabbie, here.
Hey, let's taste Dan, come on.
You did like Dan.
I just want it noted, the barbecue fitting is missing the O-ring that seals it, so if it blows up, no one gets scared, alright?
Thoughts, Riley? Thoughts?
The engineer has made a decision. I'm going to drag this over here. There!
Why?
It's not right behind the barbecue, it's down there, and the wind will safely carry it away.
Oh, Daniel. You've done well, mate.
Oh, it's pretty easy barbecue to cook on, Patrick.
Especially when you're only getting half the gas.
Quiet, you!
I love how we're using the bait has turned into toppings.
That's how fishing works. Do you want some cheese?
James, give me a fat Preston rating.
What?
Give me a fat Preston rating.
What the hell is that?
A Matt Preston rating.
I'm not a fat Preston rating.
Matt Preston rating.
You gotta go and find somebody fat in Preston and ask them for a rating.
This is disgusting. Lee Good.
Disgustingly good.
That was the most bullshit cliffhanger thing on television ever.
Oh, you got it back.
It's custom homemade tackle. That was good. That was a good cast. And now just wait. Any bites, Ryan?
Drifted so far.
It's drifted all the way down the river.
Can't use the sinker in the Murray.
He's snagged again.
I think I'm about to give up a bit about this.
I'll tell you what, they're not going in the bucket, but they're biting me fucking ankles. Ow!
Hey, don't throw it out! Dan! Throwing it out. Don't. Oh, he's gonna escape,
See, I
Dan.
told you it was a nipper. It's like a baby yabby. James, there's no meat in that. I just put a bit of cheese in the bottom of it and left it upright. I thought they might be stupid enough to swim into it. More than one
There's heaps in there. There's
Oh,
like 3 or
shit.
4. Oh, it's like
See, you don't
4.
need all the expensive fishing gear. You just need a bucket. I told you, yabbies love cheese.
Cheese.
Put the arms on.
That's a big one, that one.
Yeah, put them in here.
I think I should put them back in the river. What intention
We're
do
gonna
you have?
boil them. We're gonna boil them in a can.
Why do you want to boil them?
Boil them in a can, Dan!
You're not going to eat them. Why would you
There's
cook
so
them?
many.
We're gonna boil them, Dan.
I told you they like the cheese. See, you can see they've been nibbling at it.
Yeah, actually, there's one nibbling at it now.
I
Look at
told you they eat it. Anything with like fatty.
That really
greasy-
massive fat one right there is eating it.
The other one's pinching the other one, look at
Pinching each other.
They're fighting for territory. There's not much water in this bucket.
Now put it over the fire.
James, get back here.
that.
Bring me back my
We
yabbies.
just warm it up here like this.
James,
We just warm them.
you don't need
It's
to
pre-warming.
You don't
It's like
need to
defrosting.
preheat yabbies.
So we're gonna boil Daniel's shrimpy core.
I don't want to boil the shrimp.
Well, it's there. You already called them.
I'm going to throw them back.
Don't throw them back.
I don't like the idea of cooking them because you're not going to eat them. No, you're not.
Ryan already said he's gonna
How
eat
the
them.
hell are you going to eat a shrimp that small? What, you just got to eat the whole thing?
I love how Dad has suddenly grown this emotional attraction to fucking shrimp. Like, he suddenly cares about shrimp.
No. I just disagree with killing anything if you're not going to eat it.
We are gonna eat it. We're gonna boil one and see if it tastes any good. If it does, we'll boil the rest.
You can boil one. One shrimp.
Oh, okay, he's got one. Oh god, it's happening.
I feel really bad. Instant death, or is he still trying to
He's
swim?
instant death.
Oh,
Instant
good.
death.
Good.
Oh, he's actually boiling quite well.
Yeah, he's actually turning into a shrimp. Wait, Dan, wait, Dan, wait.
Dad, what are you doing, Dad?
You said
do it.
No, no, Dad, no.
go free, my friends. Go free. I said one. You use them for fishing, Ryan. You don't use them for eating.
Man versus
Oh no, these are good. This is man versus wild, Ryan.
enough for a cod, they're good enough for me.
I love that.
That is not a good theory to live your life on.
You can't even throw them back, Dan.
Well, you know what? I told you could have one.
What if it's really tasty? We want more.
Oh, they were that fucking hard to catch, weren't they? I put a bucket in the water for 10 minutes and it was full of them.
Don't do it.
It's actually not so bad.
Why not?
Maintain.
Yeah, the meat in the tail is good, Ryan.
No, Ryan, no.
Just take the shell off.
That's
Good
meat.
fucking shrimp.
That's meat there.
It wasn't bad.
Just gotta get this.
I was expecting a bad
You need to get the shell off it.
Ryan liked it.
Throw it on
You want another one, Ryan? Yeah?
Do you want another one? He wants another. Give him another.
End it on the hot plate.
Why did you put the head on the hot plate?
We'll make prawn crackers.
It tastes like shrimp, you know, like when you eat shrimp, but like just slightly worse and slightly more like mud.
James, I am not catching any more shrimp.
That was fresh. Like when we caught that there, boiled it, and it went in Ryan's mouth. Like that can't get any better than that. Like,
Yeah, that is pretty good.
You could have something that actually tastes good.
It did taste
Not a
good,
fucking
Ryan.
shrimp this big.
We gotta cut more down.
No, James, bring my bucket back. James, that's the fire bucket.
Fire's not going.
James, bring it back.
Come on, Dan.
Doesn't have any cheese in it. You're not going to catch anything. How about this? Next time we go away, I'll bring a yabbie net. Does that make you happy? Fuck. All the birds.
They're out of here.
It does sound like a gunshot.
Sounds like a shotgun shot.
As the night continued, more shrimp were boiled, firecrackers were lit.
No! Why you throw it down?
No panic!
Oh, it went out! Whoa!
And the rest was a blur.
This fire's as green as fucking Riley's swag.
What you doing?
Dan cooked up some breakfast.
What do you have?
Sorted out some mechanical issues, and then drove into town to do some sightseeing.
That's how the high water used to be, James. Why is it so high, Dan? You'll tell us.
Why is the dock so
Why is the
high?
dock so high?
To make it the level of the land, Patrick? I used to cart stuff on. They're not going to move stuff off the boat, then lift it up to the level of where they can get at it, are they?
Probably said that because that's how high the water was.
Yes, Patrick, that's how high the water was.
Oh no, it's one of those new vessels! Get it off the water! We stopped in at Macca's and began the long journey home.
Dan, have you learnt anything today?
Did you learn that James's car has aircon?
That's
Yeah.
a good thing to
Put
learn.
sunscreen on your arm before
I
you get
should
in
put
James'
sunscreen
car.
on just this arm. Yes. Also, that.
Murray doesn't have any toilets. James has learnt that Murray doesn't have any toilets.
That
Ryan,
the little nips on your leg aren't just yourself feeling that; those are actually shrimp nipping on your legs, which is
And they
fun.
taste pretty good.
I can't believe you actually cooked those.
Ryan loved him. You put a 12 mil pump in, I think. You'd make
It would go faster than a Falcon.
$1 for
you'd
every
make
time I'd heard
heaps of
12
power.
mil pump.
I'd have
It is.
exactly 12.
Yeah, I'd have enough dollars to buy a 12 mil pump.
See you, mate.
Paddy, have a good trip. Safe travels.